All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Festool Fest. I'm Jay, your host, and this is a show where we celebrate the Festool-iverse and being Festoolian. You know, one thing that people say is that Festool is expensive, and I can't tell you that they're not expensive, because Festool is expensive. And while it's expensive, it's not the most expensive tools that are out there. Looking at you, Maffel. So while Festool doesn't offer specials like a lot of the other tool manufacturers, meaning that other manufacturers will take their tools and discount them from their list price, Festool doesn't do that. Let's say in the DeWalt world right now you can get the 735 planer that's normally like $799. It's on discount with a lot of the retailers for $599. That's the kind of thing that Festool doesn't. However, they will offer quarterly deals where you can get a tool with a bunch of accessories and you get to save a little bit of money while you're at it. That's how I really got into Festool. I bought the ETS EC 150/3 sander, and at that package it came with a sustainer filled with granite net abrasives. So that was a summer deal. Then in the fall they had this deal most recently where you could get the two different dominoes with their domino sets and extra cutting heads with another like $200 or $300 savings. So Festool does have a way to buy tools with some discounts if you're patient. And now we're getting to our winter deals that start on November 29th. The first set is the Capex Bundle KS120 REB Set UG. And this is the actual big Capex compound miter saw. It comes with the stand and it comes with the two extensions. And that comes in for a total price of $2,299. Now you are saving about $300 by buying the bundle, but it is $2,300. Next up is a package with the KSC60. Is a little bit smaller, or I guess half the diameter, 60 instead of 120, but it is now the KSC, which means that it's a charge or it's a battery powered. And the KSC60 first set comes in at $17.99 with the rolling stand, the extensions, the catch bag, but that's it. No batteries. So at $17.99 you're going to be saving about $199 by buying that bundle, which is really great if you already have batteries. You don't necessarily need to buy more batteries, so you just get the tool at a little bit more of a discount. Now, if you don't have batteries, there is the other bundle. It's called the KS60 5.0 IUG set, and that is the same thing with the KSC60, the stand, the extensions, the bag, and it also has the energy set that has two batteries to double charger, and you get to save $232 on that bundle, and that will cost you $2,065. Now, some of the other specials that they have coming up, they have the Festool router bit set, 10 different router bits. They come in this rotating case that looks pretty cool, I think, and that sells for $299. Another thing they have coming up is the Festool Light Ring Module LMOF1010R to give illumination to your older 1010 routers. And then the one item that I'm actually really excited about, this Festool Granite Sanding Starter Set. It has the Granite 60, 80, 120, 180, 220, 320, so it's got a great range, 10 of each. So you're getting, what, 60 papers for $65, and it comes in a nice box, which is kind of cool for me. If you're looking to get into Festool or add to your Festool, these may be some items for you to consider. All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for tuning into Festool Fest. Hope you have a look at the other videos, and come and catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.